In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the bed rail caps on this Ram 2500. These are the plastic pieces that cover the side of the bed right on top here, so let's get started. On the back side of the new piece, you'll see that there are a lot of little clips that lock it on to the side of the bed. That's all that holds it, and all you have to do is pry them. Most likely they're all going to break, and that's why you only use this one time. So if yours is already broken, it'll probably come off easier, but that's all you need to do is stick a trim tool underneath and start prying. Like I said earlier, a plastic trim tool is what I recommend so you don't scratch the paint on the bed. Okay, there it is. Now you want to wipe off this area if you have a lot of debris here, or you can wash it, blow it off with compressed air, whatever you have to do. Now take the new piece and line it up with all of the clips that lock it in, and as soon as you feel that it's lined up and it wants to slide down, tap it down, but don't tap it until you know that it's seated, otherwise you'll break the clips. Installed.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.